Module 8, Pocket Money Tracker. Where does your pocket money go? Let's find out. With a real Excel tracker. Income at the top, spending below, and a savings number that grows. Real grown-up stuff. 3 columns. Date, what it was. Amount. Use plus for income, minus for spending. Then a sum at the bottom shows what's left in your piggy bank. 3 rules of money tracking. Write it all down. Small amounts add up. Use plus and minus, and let Excel do the sum. Future, you will thank you. Mini project. Build your own pocket money tracker for the next 2 weeks. Use sum to show your savings. Try to save at least £3. Next, a game score dashboard with colors that change based on how good your score is.